Good day everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Joanne Tusing. Ang isi-share ko naman po sa video na to ay ang bagong 2022 Chevrolet Camaro. Ito ang new 2022 Chevrolet Camaro.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no.
Ang engine nito ay 2.0 liter turbo intercooled at ito ay all aluminum engine. Ang SRP po para sa Camaro regular paint ay 3,298,888 pesos. Then sa Camaro metallic colors ay 3,398,888 pesos. While sa Camaro tin coat paint ay 3,448,888 pesos. Ang mga colors na pagpipilian ay una na dyan ang garnet red tin coat metallic. Next, exterior crush, red hat, silver ice metallic, black, dark shadow metallic, and mosaic black metallic. Pasensya na po guys, sobrang mabilisan lang ang pagkuha natin ng video, napakarami po kasing tao. Pwede po ako maglabas ng full review nito kung marami pong magre-request sa akin. Ito lang po muna sa ngayon. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.